In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily remove the background from a shape in your Canva document. This is especially useful when you're trying to create a clean, professional design without any distracting elements. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your document open, the one you'd like to work on today. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can easily create one by visiting their website and signing up. Once you have your document ready, you're all set for the next step. Now locate the specific rectangle shape in your design that you want to modify. This is crucial, as removing the background will help make your text or images really stand out. Simply click on the rectangle shape to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlighted outline around the shape. Next, look towards the top of your Canva interface, and you'll see several options. Here you want to focus on the color option. Clicking on color will reveal a menu on the left side of your screen. This menu will provide you with a variety of color options to choose from. However, our goal is to make the background disappear, so instead of selecting a new color, look for the No Color option. Click on No Color, which effectively removes any background color behind your shape, leaving it transparent. It's as simple as that. With the background removed, your design will have a more polished look, allowing other elements to pop out more prominently. This feature can be particularly handy when you're layering elements on top of each other, and you need to maintain a crisp finish without any unwanted background distractions. Before we wrap up, just a few tips to enhance your Canva experience. Always remember to save your work frequently. Canva regularly saves projects automatically, but it's always a good idea to save your progress manually from time to time, just to be safe. Additionally, if you make any mistakes or want to revert a change, there's a handy Undo button at the top of the interface, which lets you backtrack on your actions seamlessly. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the background from a shape in Canva. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool to have in your design arsenal. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and elements to see how clean lines and transparent backgrounds can elevate your overall design. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy designing.